Hello children. As we have seen in the earlier videos, given a right angle triangle ABC where angle B is the right angle, if we look from angle A perspective, we can call side BC as the opposite side AC as the hypotenuse, and side AB as the adjacent side, right? And we learned three trigonometric ratios. Sine of A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC. Cosine of A, or called cos of A, is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC. And tangent of A, or in short form tan of angle A, is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which is BC by AB. So this we learned in our last videos. How do you remember it? An easier way to remember these three important ratios is remember just three words. It may sound a little funny, but just remember them. So, ka, toa. Soh, S-O-H, ka, K-C-A-H, and toa, T-O-A. And what does it mean? Soh means sine of A, S for sine of A, is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So O is opposite, H is hypotenuse. So means S sine of A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, as you can see in the blue color. Ka means cosine or cos of A. C means cosine. A means adjacent, given in green, and H means hypotenuse. So cosine of A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. And same way, toa means tangent. T means tangent. Tan of A equal to O means opposite, and A is adjacent. So sine opposite hypotenuse, ka cosine adjacent hypotenuse, tan opposite adjacent. Isn't it easy? Now let us learn three more trigonometric ratios, and they are basically reciprocal of the first three ratios. So cosecant of A, or in short form cosec of A, is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side, that is AC by BC. And we know sine of A is opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant of A is hypotenuse by opposite. So we can say cosecant of A is nothing but 1 by sine A. Right? So cosecant of A is equal to 1 by sine A, or vice versa, sine A is equal to 1 by cosecant of A. Secant of A, or called sec of A. So sec of A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side, which is AC by AB, and that is nothing but reciprocal of cos of A. So sec of A is equal to 1 by cos A, or cos of A is equal to 1 by sec A. And the last one is cotangent, or in short form cot. Cot of A is adjacent side AB by opposite side BC, and which is nothing but 1 by tan of A. So very simple. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A, sec A is 1 by cosine A, and cotangent A or cot A is 1 by tan A. These three are reciprocal ratios of sine, cos, and tan. And one more thing in this lesson, we know sine A is equal to BC by AC, right? Opposite side by hypotenuse, and cosine A is AB by AC, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? If we divide sine A by cos A, then what happens? On the right side, AC gets cancelled, and we are left with BC by AB, that is opposite side by adjacent side, which is nothing but tan of A. So we can say sine A by cos A is equal to tan A. So given the value of sine A and cosine A, we can find tan A very easily by just dividing sine A by cosine of A. That's all in this lesson. Bye-bye.